What was that for? Hello, welcome back to Marketers React, the show where I blindly react to 3 adverts. I'm wearing the most creased t-shirt in the world. Please just ignore it. Let's get started. First advert is from Robinson's Fruit. Lovely, delicious drink here in the UK. Pressing play. Ooh, I love that. I love things going into water in slow-mo is just cool. And you've already won my vote.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
From a creative aspect, very nice. It's just a cool, simple advert. Pulled some Robinson's Fruit into a swimming pool, into a little fish tank, filmed it in slow-mo. Nice little story placement, really easy, lovely. See, you don't have to do something crazy. Sometimes simple stuff works really well, and that does work well. And then they have the little Robinson's thing where you'd swipe up. Very nice. Yes, big fan of that. I mean, there's not much more to say. It's cool. They've used a nice technique, which is pretty popular and people don't see that often. Paired it with some nice copy, the logo's on there, you know who it's for, they've got the product. Smashed it. 8 out of 10. Next advert is for Wickes Kitchen installers here in the UK, and it's a slideshow. Of course it is. Of course it's a slideshow. Because as we've come to learn on this show, the companies with the biggest budget spend the very least on their ad creative. Whenever your budget, we have a kitchen range that suits you. From Great Value Kitchens, take away today. I don't understand what the hearts are. They're trying to like deem, hey, this is cool, this is what Instagram does. I don't get it. It's all right, like it's simple, it's a slideshow advert, works fairly well, gets the message across, I guess. Just would like to see something a bit more creative from these bigger brands, just something a little bit cooler.
What about if we did an even newer voicemail message that had even more zing and pep?
Now we're cooking. I like this.
Let's make your dream kitchen reality. I don't know. If you're looking for a kitchen, I guess this would interest you, seeing the different range of kitchens that you can have. But I think they could have done something a little cooler than a slideshow. I would say 5 out of 10. The next one is, I don't know what it's for. My Limitless, what's that? Let's have a play. Oh, it's for the ODEON. See all the films as often as you like for just £10 a month. That was the most simple advert I think I've ever seen. You can't get any more simple than that. It's story placement. I mean, it literally says that, and that is about it. Could have been a bit more enticing, lads. I mean, that's fucking hell. That's not very good. Just not a very interesting video, I think, all round. Pretty boring. Super simple font. Nothing special about the font, and it's just on a cinema background. That mock-up ticket thing is trash. They could have done something cooler. I feel like maybe they're a little bit limited because they probably can't show films and stuff like that, but they could have done something a little bit cooler. They could have, you know, maybe just put some people enjoying themselves in the cinema in slow-mo and nice, ha 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 ha, laughing, oh, scary, and then just put some text over it. That would be better than a static like this. Probably capture your attention a little more. Again, cheap, simple advertising, which has clearly just been done at short notice. Let's plan out your creative people. Plan it out in advance, test things out, see what works. But I don't think that would convert very well or as much as they would like it to. So I'm going to give it a 3 out of 10. And that's it for another week of Marketers React. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you again next time. Done.